Hello everyone, my name is Gray Ann Mulos. You can call me Teacher Gray, and I've been teaching English since 2008. Over the years, I've had the opportunity to work with different kinds of students from various backgrounds such as Korean, Japanese, Chinese, and Turkish learners. I specialize in teaching English, grammar, conversation, business English, and test preparation for IELTS, TOEFL, TOEIC, and SAT. In addition, nowadays I also teach math and English to Filipino homeschool students. During the day, I teach for homeschool community here in the Philippines. What I love most about teaching is that it allows me to make a real difference in my students' life. It's incredibly fulfilling for me to watch my students grow in confidence and ability. It really gives me satisfaction whenever they say thank you to me that they have already improved their skills because of the help that I have extended to them. I may not have the formal teaching certificate like others do, but I bring with me over 15 years of hands-on experience and deep passion for education. For me, teaching isn't just about delivering lessons. It's about building trust and having a supportive learning environment for your student so that the lessons will push through and will be successful. And as an educator, I constantly try to improve myself by trying to explore on new methods of teaching, new tools that I can use for teaching, as well as looking for books that I can use for teaching my students. In my own way, I believe that I have helped several students in getting certificates, and I think that for me is something that I can be proud. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to having the opportunity to share what I have learned and continue learning with others. I'm looking forward to hearing from you very soon. Thank you.